In step number 5, we have the tie rods protruding out the passive side and just starting in to the active side, just starting to thread it in. In step number 6, we thread them all the way through, and if it helps, you can use the little gripper on your fingers until it's just starting to show on the sides, about equal. And you do that for all 4 tie rods. Now they're all started on the active side. You can start the barrel cap nuts on the active side. You need to hold the tie rod. Again, the gripper pad helps hold it steady so you don't move it back out of its threads. And then snug the brass barrel cap nut down with the 1/8 inch Allen wrench. Just snug. No need to tighten it up with a lot of force. Then you turn to the passive side. The jam nuts now go all the way out to the wood. Stop at the wood, and then with the 5/16 wrench you can snug the jam nut up to the wood. Then bring the brass barrel cap nut up to the wood and snug it up. And that is the end of step 6.